Come on and take a journey through the life and times of Jeff Jones, a child who found a place to hide inside his headphones. He felt denied, so every night he cried out, his eyes on any pillow he lied his head on. His father left home, his mom's was just gone. It made his heart as dark as his outside flesh tone. So when he got tested, of course he would explode. He saw anger as a form of expression. Every breath that I breathe, I mean every word that I speak. For every single person on this earth working the streets, every fatherless child, those bleak, hurting and weak, I hope encouragement occurs from every verse that I leak. I've lived in pain, but I know it's people worse than me, so I pray for them and pray their prayers get reversed to me. Personally, I face adversity and curse defeat. When them curtains meet, I'm trying to be the first to lead my life. Finna introduce one of the sickest dudes to get within inches of a booth. This is my debut and entrance, give me your attention, but then I forget to